Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today is the Lawn Fawn Valentine release day, so I'm excited to share all the new products with you. The link to the Lawn Fawn section will be listed in the description box if you want to head on over and shop for your Lawn Fawn goodies. We are also releasing a stamp and die set today, so if you wanted to pick this up with your Lawn Fawn goodies, this is available in the shop under the Not Too Shabby section. This is called Berry Sweet. It is a super cute stamp set. I just released a video sharing how I created this card. It turned out so cute. I used the papers from this month's Paper Pad Club subscription, so you can buy the paper as a one-time purchase or join the club and save 18% off the Paper Pad Club. The die is available for purchase separately. You can purchase it to cut out all the images, including the sentiments. The only images it does not cut out are the little faces, because you can just stamp the faces right on to these cute little treats. So we've got sentiments, a little treat for someone so, very sweet, I like you very much, and hi. So it's a really cute set. So let's share what's new for the Lawn Fawn release. When you do spend $60 or more, this will pop into your cart. It is called So Damn Much. It features two beavers hugging and the sentiment, I love you so damn much. There's a little hugs sentiment there, and a little heart and a little cattail. So there is a coordinating die, so don't forget to pick up the die if this pops into your cart for free. The other little stamp set is a little lemon. It's called You're the Zest, and it's got several different cute faces, two sentiments, You're the Zest and Squeeze the Day. We've got a smaller stamp set here called Simply Celebrate Hearts. Got a nice row of hearts that you can stamp these cute little faces on. There's another little heart. The sentiments, Happy Valentine's Day, sending lots of love, I heart you, and love is in the air. There also is a die available. I think the star of the show is this stamp set here called Would You Be Mine. Features all these cute little beavers and this nice log that you can have them sitting around, creating a really cute scene with all the other elements in the stamp set. There's nice little small sentiments that can fit right here inside the heart or in this heart here. Would you be mine? Happy Valentine's Day. I love you. You plus me. Have a damn good day. I choose you. Miss you a log. Would you be mine? And happy heart day. Super cute stamp set. And then the coordinating die. Now you need a house for your beavers, so they have come out with the Build a Cabin. So a nice log cabin. The door is interactive, so you can have that open. It says on the back, everything you need, and has an interactive door for an extra fun surprise. There's this nice die here called Giant Outline Love You die, and it has a nice little frame so you can create a nice shaker with this. Very cute. We've got two garland heart backdrop dies. So we got the landscape and the portrait. So we've got some nice garland at the top. This one has some heart balloons, some heart confetti, a nice banner with stitching. This one you get a little bit of different of a banner, and you get a longer garland and a longer banner. We've got a meadow of heart flowers. This is called Heart Garden Border. So you get some nice grass and these cute little hearts. So there's some extra hearts here that you can cut out in different colored cardstock and place them on your little hearts. Wood grain background hot foil plate. So you can make a really cool design with your hot foil, and it also embosses. There's a really nice stencil called Falling Heart Stencil. It's a two-piece stencil. So you can make a nice background with your inks. They have 3 washi tapes this release. So we have some hedgehogs with a cute little heart. We have some smiley faces on hearts. And then we have some heart garland. We have some metal snips available, so that's really nice to cut apart your dies. So if you don't have a pair of these look like a really nice pair. Nice and pointy at the top. So that is the Lawn Fawn release. I hope I grabbed everything. If I did not, everything will be listed on the website. I'll have the link in the description box so you can head on over. There is free shipping with orders of $75 or more in the US. And don't forget that free little gift will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. Don't forget about the Berry Sweet stamp set if you're interested in this one, and the coordinating die. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I want to give a shout out to my customers who are supporting me during this holiday season. I really do appreciate that. That means a lot to me, so thank you so much, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!